Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I have a different setup. I actually have a desk this time, so I'm sitting as I'm doing this. Bear with me. And try and do a plan with me. I'm not going to be talking through this because I actually need to get up probably several times because I do have a kiddo. So I'm going to be speeding through this, but first I want to show you. If you haven't already, make sure that you check out my base plan with me for the spread right here. This is the Showtime spread, or Showtime weekly kit, plus I have a couple add-ons for from GoldPaperPrints. So this whole thing right here that you see is all GoldPaperPrints. I am a PR girl, so that's partially why I have GoldPaperPrints, but it's also because she is probably my favorite. No, not if. She definitely is my favorite shop of all time. So yeah, I'm just going to show you real quick. This is what I have left over after the base plan. So this, I just put in everything I knew for sure that was going on. And now I'm just going to add some things that I also know that's going on this week. And then on Friday, I will actually do more of a memory spread and add more than what I already know that's going on. Today is actually Monday, the 28th of September, and this is the spread for September 28th through October 4th. So I'm just going to put down a couple things that I know for sure that got added to the week, and then I will see you guys on Friday for a memory plan with me. So for right now, I'm gonna go ahead and trying to see if I need any more. I don't have any more of that. I'll put it on there. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add, like I said, the things that I know for sure that's gonna go on this week, and then I will go ahead and fill it in after that. Alright, so I just realized that I was out of camera frame. Quite a few things that I had added. So I added workout here, also because I already did it and I realized afterwards I probably should have saved that for Friday as well as this right here, but oh well, it's already done. So I added this filming little that comes with the kit, as well as this quarter box, and then the workout script as well. And then I also have the desk that was supposed to be here tomorrow. It actually is already here. I'm actually using it right now. Why I put it there instead of over there, I don't know. I think it was just because it was originally supposed to be on Tuesday 29th. And then I have Happy Mail that should be here Wednesday, but I have a feeling it'll be here tomorrow because it usually only takes a couple days. And then on this side, I put in the car and house because kiddo is going to be getting picked up and spending the night. I didn't add date night yet just because I didn't grab any other stickers because I'm going to save a lot of that for Friday, which I did put the little right there, as well as the little for the Target organizer, toy organizer that is coming on Thursday. I actually have multiple videos I want to film, so I might actually end up using this on Friday, but we'll see. Yeah, and that's really all that I added, and I'm gonna go ahead and fill it out. Alright guys, this is everything all filled in for right now, and I will see you guys on Friday for a more
Hi baby.
Hi baby.
What's that?
For a more filled in and detailed plan with me. See you guys on Friday, which I will then post the following week. Don't forget to give the thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye guys.